What up, YouTube? And we're here today for a Hemper unboxing. Now, I did get this box back a little while ago. It's not this month's. This month's is actually a pumpkin one, which is really cool. Now, this one was from back in July. And it is like a gaming one. Like Mario Brothers, if you can see the box. Hemper. Got the Mario style looking game. Blocks on it. And we got it upside down. There we go. Say goodbye to late night store runs and hello to convenience delivered with Hemper. We've got you covered with premium smoking supplies that are shipped directly to your door. Remove the hassle and enjoy the best smoking experience with Hemper. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I got a subscription. I got it. You can get it coming there once a month, once every 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, whatever you want. So I got one coming every 3 months. And actually October is the month for the next one. And this one was, I'm pretty sure, July. I'm a little late on it, but I still think it's cool. I'll get it out here and check it out. See what we got. Some garbage. Ooh, a little Omni stand it came with. Looks like it's for putting pens in or whatever your heart desires. Oh, it's showing one holding a little bowl there for a concentrate bowl. A little Omni stand. Alright, and then what do we got? Some vegan, organic, hemp, GMO free, 100% tobacco free filter tips. They feel like they're in the whole cone thing is there. Not sure exactly what it is. I'll have to open it up to find out. And then let's see. This all comes in a little Ziploc bag here. See what we got going. Oh, let's see, they got a Bic lighter, plain old blue Bic lighter. This is roll. Let's see if I can get the light on there. Roll with luxury. With Hemper notes. Notes are rolling paper is crafted from superfine organic hemp and natural non-toxic soy coloring. Luxury pre-roll cones. Currency edition, king size. 3 cones it says. Alright, and 50 filter tips if you use them when you roll up your joints. Got some OCB Expert Slim Fit rolling papers. a Hemper sticker. And then we got these 3 little Hemper bags. They're smell proof. So you can put your goods in there. If you don't want it smelling, it'll keep the smell from getting out. I gave 3 of them. And then get this rolling out here. Came with a bunch of bubble wrap. Couple rubber bands holding it together. Get these suckers off. There we go. And then this is the main feature, what you get every month along. If you got more rubber bands. Along with everything else, you get a new little bong every month. This one is a little gaming bong. Got the Hemper H on it. Let me see, then it comes with a bowl. Now sometimes they come with 2 bowls, one for concentrates and the other one for flower smoking. And this one here just came with the flower bowl, but it's a cool one. Like the little thing on Mario Brothers. It's right on there. Nice little bong. So you get all this for around 30 bucks, give or take a few. Oh, it does come with another one. Let's see here. This one's a dab rig. So with everyone I got so far, you get a dab rig and a flower bowl. It's your choice how you want to use it. I think I'm going to be using this one for flower bowl, and I have a different one that I use for dabbing. So now you got the dab rig here. You got the little Omni stand. You could put your little dab thing in, help you fill it up, or well, this one will go on the bowl, but this will help maybe with the flower one. Maybe not. And that's everything that came in this Hemper box, other than the bubble wrap and some garbage. A lot of times they'll come with different things like the little hemp rope that you light to use to light your bowl. And so that's everything here. That came with the little dab rig, the bowl for flour, little gaming one, go good in somebody's game room. And the next one I'm getting is October's, which is a Halloween, and they have a pumpkin one coming up for October. So this was the gaming one, which is really cool. I like it. I'm going to go try it out here in a minute. So alright everybody, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question. And everybody, have a good one. And if any of you want these Hemper boxes. They sell them one at a time. They'll sell them in a subscription so you can get it, like I said, every month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, once a year, whatever you want it. So down below I have in the description a coupon code for you guys to use to get it for cheaper. Get a percentage off. And that even goes for subscriptions or anything. Or a single item or whatever. Go check out their website. Like I said, down below I'll have a description in the code in the description for a discount. All right, thank you everybody. And have a good one.